Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for August 25th, 2016. So you can see here it's about 2 minutes after the close. I'm still broadcasting from Tallahassee, helping my son move into the dorms here. Kept up with the market all day, and the first thing I noticed today was not the advanced decline looking that bad. It was down 1,200, but that was a lot on the close. But it was the action in the biotech seemed to pull down the whole market. And we'll get to that in a second. But once you saw the biotechs pull it down, you then saw this little bull flag in the bear flag in the ESs, and that was it. They sum up right now, the ES is down 1075. About 3 minutes ago, they were down 14. Little blip back on the close. NASDAQ down 3150, which makes sense with a lot of biotechs down. Same with the Russell, a lot of healthcare stocks. The big ones in the NASDAQ then pulled down the small ones in the Russell. And they were down 1040 in here. You had the bonds down 8. You had gold down 18 today, and you had crude oil down $1.33. I had mentioned yesterday that I didn't like the chart of crude oil, and the stock has just gone straight down. Transport's only down all of 4. Like I said, there were little pockets down. In fact, what's very interesting today is on how the Dow Jones, the actual YMs, were only down like 80 at most. Go and put the YMs up here, and they were down all of 63 today. Not much of anything going on in here. Fascinating that that's all they did. Down all to 63. So the whole idea of this was very much a narrow sell-off. Like I said, the ES is the easiest thing to do on here is to go to Simpler Stocks, the premium site, and see what we've been posting about the ESs. We've been showing about the tree line. We've been showing about the bear wedge, and we've been showing the bearish divergence, and we've been showing the squeeze setting up, and what are tells to give us an idea of where we're going to go. We thought the Russell would start to lead, but when the Russell started falling apart today, wasn't really the Russell. Put up the Russell on the left, and put this on a 15-minute chart, and then put the IBB, this is the biotech index, on the right. Go and look at the correlation of this. This started going down, guess what? Right here at 1 o'clock. It was actually up for the day. Look, when this started going down, the TFs, they started going down, guess what? Right at 1 o'clock. So this pulled down this, and that's the way it goes in here. The one thing you should notice is when the biotech sold off, the ESs were already down. So then when you didn't get help from the TFs or the biotechs, it pulled the whole ESs down. We're going to go over where the levels are in the ES, where we think we're going now, and I'll be doing that on the premium video. If you were wondering what the premium video includes, it includes the chat room, where every day from 9 to 10 in the morning we go over different chart ideas, just a live trading room. I'm on live, can answer all the questions and go over trade ideas. A lot of them worked really well today. Premium videos, much more in depth than what you're hearing now, like I mentioned. You have the email alerts where basically you're showing stock ideas, option ideas, and index charts. The whole idea is I only post unusual options when I see really wild ones. Today was a good day not to post unusual call activity. So don't go in there and think I'm just going to post 10 a day. I'm going to post when I think you can make money on them. The other thing you get in here is the forum, which is a text sort of message board way to communicate between me and other members. Then the meetup, which is a very powerful part of our site, where I do a class about every 10 days, about an hour, where we go over things like creating scans, bull and bear flags, and then they go into a video. And this video series is part of the learning series that you get with your subscription. Right now we have a $7 30-day trial that I think we've had thousands of people sign up for. I think you'll really enjoy it. As you see, look how much is in the Learning Center that you get with your subscription. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a great night. I will talk to you tomorrow.